Welcome po muli sa The Romero Tutorial Academy at ang ating pong pag-aaralan pa rin para sa video tutorial lesson na ito ay patungkol pa rin sa algebra, pero tayo po ay nakafocus of course sa solving equation, in particular sa ating one-step equation. Okay? Atin na pong simulan ang ating talakayan para sa video tutorial lesson natin sa topic natin for today's video. Okay, now, so ano po ba yung one-step equation? So, para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, meron po tayo ritong konting definition na kung saan atin pong i-define muna kung ano yung mga one-step equation. So, pag sinabing one-step equation, ito po ay mga algebraic equation na nagre-require sa atin ng single mathematical operation. So, isang mathematical operation lang that is for us to isolate. Okay? I-isolate yung ating variable. So, sa mga previous video lesson po natin, particularly sa area or sa branch of mathematics, particularly in algebra, ang variable po ay alam natin that these are letters, okay? Example po niyan ay si X. Hindi lang si X, marami. Yung mga letters sa ating English alphabet could be an example, of course, of a variable. Now, pagpatuloy po natin, kailangan natin ng single mathematical operation o nag-iisang mathematical operation para ma-separate natin si variable, and at the same time, ma-solve po natin yung yung value ng variable na yon, no? Kasi that particular variable actually represents a missing number. Now, paano natin gagawin yan? So, i-isolate po natin, no? I-isolate natin yung ating variable o yung ating letter sa pamamagitan po ng pagpa-perform natin ng inverse operation o yung opposite. Yan yung other term para mas madali nating matandaan. So, yung inverse operation or opposite, no? Sa parehong sides po ng ating equation. Okay? On both sides of our equation. Para po siya ay maging balanced, ano? For us to keep it balanced. Now, let us have an example. Ito pong example na ito ay this is an example because actually we have four main types of one-step equations. So, una po simulan natin sa addition, ano? Simulan natin sa addition. Alright. Sa addition. Okay. Now, sa addition po, ang rule sa atin is kailangan nating isubtract yung constant. Okay, that's the rule. Isulat po natin, subtract. Alright, subtract the constant. The constant, o alam natin kung ano yung constant, hindi nababago yun, di ba? The constant from both sides. O hindi lang po sa left side ng equation, both sides po ha, both. Let me highlight that, both sides of our equation. That's the rule, no? Okay, so that is in addition. Subtract the constant from both sides. So let us have an example here. Meron tayong n plus 9 equals 16. So n plus 9 equals 16. Alright, so ano po yung first step natin dyan? So the first step is for us to subtract. Babawasan po natin siya ng alin? Ng 9. Okay? So gawin natin, baguhin natin yung ating ink dito. Okay? So magsusubtract tayo ng 9 on both sides. Alright, hindi lang sa left, pati po doon sa right. Both sides ng ating equation. Bakit natin ginagawa ito? Kasi gusto nating ma-isolate itong si n, no? Yung ating variable na si n. Okay. So, this will now be cancelled kasi 9 minus 9 is 0. Okay. Now, we bring down n is equal to, so ano po ang 16 minus 9? Of course, that is clearly 7. Okay? N equals 7. So, yan po yung ating solution. Okay? So, that is our solution po. Okay? N is equal to 7. Now, i-check nga natin. So, kung papalitan natin si N ng 7, magiging balance ba yung equation natin? So, 7 plus 9 equals 16. Okay, may question mark kasi hindi natin alam kung magbabalance. No? So, what is 7 plus 9? Of course, that is 16. So, therefore, tama yung ating sagot. Tama yung ating solution that N is equal to 7. Why? Kasi nung ipinalit natin si 7 kay N, nakita natin na nung inad natin si 7 kay 9, nag-balance yung ating equation. So, which is 16 is equal to 16. Alright? So, yan po yung rule sa addition. Subtract the constant from both sides. Okay? Alright, next po. Next. O how about ito naman? Pag ito naman po is okay. So, this is okay. Ang rule po dito is subtraction, ano? Subtraction rule ito eh. Subtraction ito. Okay. So, this is subtraction. So, ano yung sinasabi sa atin ng subtraction rule? So, dito naman, i-add naman natin. Okay, add, alright, the constant to both sides. Add the constants, add the constant, okay, to both sides of our equation. Both sides po hindi po pwedeng iisa lang kasi magkakamali po tayo pag ganon. Okay, both sides of both sides of the equation. Dinagdag ko na po yun. Of the equation. Okay. Now, halimbawa po niyan is ito, no? Ito yung halimbawa natin. Si F, example A kanina, ngayon example B. F minus 5 equals 20. Alright. So, F minus 5 equals 20. Now, ano yung ating gagawin dito? Mag-a-add naman tayo. Okay? Okay, kasi kukunin po natin yung yung inverse operation o yung opposite ni negative 5. Kanina, 'di ba? Dito kinuha natin yung opposite ni positive 9, right? Which is negative 9. Kaya tayo nag-subtract sa 9, 'di ba? Oo. Alright. Now, dito, mag-a-add naman tayo kasi ang opposite ni negative 5 ay positive 5. Let me just change the ink. Gawin naman natin red. Okay. So, sorry po. Okay. So, that will be positive 5. Okay. So, kung ginawa mo sa left side ng equation mo, dapat mag-balance yan. Gagawin mo rin sa right side. Mag-a-add ka rin. Alright. Ulitin ko po kagaya dito. Nung nag-subtract tayo dito ng 9 sa left side, nag-subtract din tayo sa right. Kasi whatever we do on the left side of the equation, we also do on the right side of the equation. Tatandaan po natin yun. Alright, next. So, ganyan din po ito. Nag-add tayo ng 5 sa left side, mag-add din tayo ng 5 sa right side. Okay. So, this will be cancel na yan, 0, okay? So, we bring down F equals, so what is 20 plus 5? That would be 25. Alright? So, that is our solution, okay? That is our solution. Madali lang po ito. Now, let us check kung magbabalance yung ating equation, ano? So, palitan natin si F ng 25 kasi F is equal to 25, di ba? So, 25 minus 5 equals 20. Alright. So, we don't know kung magbabalance, ano? Magbabalance ba? What is 25 minus 5? Magbabalance. Kasi 25 minus 5 is 20. So nakita nyo po, nag-balance yung ating equation. So ganun lang po kadali tayo mag-solve ng one-step equation. Tatandaan po natin yung patungkol sa addition. Ano yung sasabi sa addition? Sa addition, it was made mention that we have to subtract the constant from both sides of the equation. Kapag naman subtraction, add the constant to both sides of the equation.